Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Foundation Prep from Clarendon going up against Somerton Primary from St. James. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Somerton Primary won and decided to send Foundation Prep first. So we begin with Foundation Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Foundation Prep. Which book of the Bible immediately follows Jude?
Revelations.
That is correct. Somerton. Which book of the Bible immediately follows Isaiah? Foundation, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Jeremiah.
That is correct. Science. Foundation. What name is given to the space in the front of the skull that houses the human eye?
Eye socket.
That is correct. Somerton. How many muscles are attached to the human eye?
Three.
Incorrect. Did we hear the bell first? The bell came first, so Foundation, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Six.
That is correct. Jamaican affairs. This is for Foundation. What is the name of the daily talk show aired on Radio Jamaica on weekdays between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m.?
Small Jamaica.
Incorrect, it's Hotline. Somerton. Name one of the hosts of the radio weekday talk show Hotline. Foundation, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Emily Shields, Clive Mullins, Orville Taylor. Foundation, English language. What is the meaning of the root word vis as used in vision?
Sight.
Correct. Somerton. What is the meaning of the root word sub as used in submarine? Foundation, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Under.
That is correct. Television. Foundation. In the original Home Alone movie, what is the first name of Kevin McAllister's oldest brother?
Johnny.
Incorrect, it's Buzz. Somerton. In the original Home Alone movie, what is the first name of Kevin McAllister's uncle? Foundation, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Frank. General knowledge. This is for Foundation. What is the capital of Barbados?
Bridgetown.
Correct. Somerton. What is the capital of Trinidad and Tobago? Foundation, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Port of Spain.
That is correct. Foundation, social studies. In which parish is the National Gallery of Jamaica located?
Kingston.
That's right. Somerton, in which Jamaican parish is the Taino Museum at White Marl?
Trelawney.
Incorrect. It is St. Catherine. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Foundation Prep on 9 and Somerton Primary on 0. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.